Now, this is a new letter. This is a new letter. How can we say that in Arabic? We studied before. هذا حرف جديد. هذا, this is حرف, a letter, جديد, new. هذا حرف جديد. It's قاف. قاف. And its sound is قا. قا. As you see, it has two dots. Yes. Now look at how it is written. When it is isolated, take your pen and write like this. When it is in the beginning, like this and two dots. In the middle, it's connected to right and to left. And when it is at the end, like this. So we say qaf, qa. As you hear, the sound of qaf is similar to the sound of kaf, which we will study after that. After that, the next letter is kaf, and we say ka, ka. But here we say qa, qa. So it's more emphatic and darker. And as you can see, the letter qaf has two dots on the top, while the letter fa, which we studied before, has one dot. Look here at this two dots here now, it's qaf, but one dot, it will be fa. Yes. Let's look at this first word here. Moon, it means moon. Only three letters. Qaf, mim, ra. Qaf has fatha and mim as well. Qamar, qamar, qamar. So we say qamar, not ka, but qa, qamar. And this one, qaf, lam, mim, fatha, fatha, qa, lam, qalam, qalam, pen. The next word, alif, qaf, ra, and alif. The first alif has kasra, so we say e, followed by qaf with sukoon, and then ra with fatha. So we say iqra, followed by, ended by alif with sukoon. Iqra, iqra, iqra. Iqra means read. When you order someone, you say iqra, which means read. The next word means friend. Sad, this is sad. Dal, ya, qaf. The sad has fatha, sa. Then dal has kasra, followed by long vowel e. Sadi. And then qa. Not ke, but qa. Sadiq. Sadiq. Sadiq is friend. The next word is coffee. قاف, ها, واو, and تا مربوطة. قا followed by ha with sukoon. قه, قه, followed by واو with fatha. قهوة. And then the ta marbuta here is pronounced as ha because it comes at the end and we stop. So we say قهوة, 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 coffee. The next word, alif, lam, qaf, mim, ra. It's just like this, moon, qamar, but preceded by al, the. So here we say al, the, qamar, al-qamar, al-qamar, the moon. So here it's moon preceded by the definite article in Arabic, al. Lam here is pronounced. As we mentioned before, sometimes it's pronounced and sometimes it's silent. Here it's pronounced. So we say al-qamar. But look at this word. We studied before the word sun, shams, sheen, mim, seen. Here it's preceded by al, which means the. But here the lam is silent, followed by sheen with shadda and fatha. So we say a, then sh, Asha. This lam is silent. Ashams. Ashams means the sun, and the lam here is silent. So in the word al-qamar, the lam is pronounced, but in the word ashams, the lam is silent. The next word, Iraq. In Arabic, we say the Iraq. So we start with al. Al, Ain has kasra, and because it's in the middle, it's written in this way. Al-i, followed by ra with the long vowel, alif, a, al-ira. Then the last letter is qa, qaf. Al-iraq, al-iraq, al-iraq. The next word, orange. It has 6 letters. Ba, ra, ta, qaf, alif, and lam. The ba has dhamma and the ra has sukun. Bur, two. Then qaf is followed by long vowel a. Qal, burtuqal, burtuqal. Burtuqal is orange. Now let's read these sentences. He is a doctor from Iraq. هو طبيب. هو طبيب. Min is from. Here you see mina because we join it with the following word. And here in this word al-Iraq, the alif will be silent. So we say min al-Iraq. So na will be followed by lam with sukun. Min al-Iraq. هو طبيب من العراق. هو طبيب من العراق. The next sentence. She is a teacher from Iraq. هي معلمة. تاء مربوطة with تنوين الضم. We say معلمة من العراق. هي معلمة من العراق. So هو, he is a doctor, male, he is. Here we say she is a teacher, female teacher. That's why here we have تاء مربوطة. هي معلمة من العراق. The next sentence here is, do you like coffee? For male. The next one will be, do you for female like coffee? So you like or you love for male is تحب. And for female, it's تحبين. So here, هل تحب, and then القهوة, the coffee, القهوة. But when we join these two words, تحب and القهوة, the alif in the beginning of القهوة will be silent. So it will be هل تحب الب followed by ل. تحب القهوة. هل تحب القهوة. And for female, هل تحبين القهوة. هل تحبين القهوة. For example, يا أحمد هل تحب القهوة. Oh Ahmed, do you like coffee? يا مريم, oh Maryam, female name, هل تحبين القهوة. The next one, I am Umar and this is my friend Khalid. أنا عمر و and هذا صديقي, my friend خالد. أنا عمر وهذا صديقي خالد. The next one, I am Yumna and this is my friend Huda. Yumna and Huda are female names. أنا يمنى, the last letter is alif. Look here, it's preceded by فتحة. أنا يمنى وهذه صديقتي. Here it was صديقي, male, but here it's صديقتي. female. وهذه صديقتي. What's her name? هدى. هدى. أنا يمنى وهذه صديقتي هدى. The next one. I like orange. أحي followed by شدة with ضمة. أحب and then البرتقال. البرتقال. When we connect these two words, the alif here will be silent, so it will be بو followed by ل. أحب أحب البرتقال. أحب البرتقال.